was too nasty.
Turn that shit up. Bow, 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 bow.
Makajisonga dikaria. Jangan, kau ini dah. Aman. Boleh ini dah. Biar aku itu. Go. Aku tu boleh nak buat. Kau tu mungkin betul mungkin. Kau ini ni buat sih. I'm on my way to my driving lessons. From Roma Secos to Moroya Full Air. The bonus are wheel pressure, remote, and yeah, me and my bro, but then I have to call them and ask them to get a booking and go high. Cause if you guys remember, the other accident previously, it's like a shot. So right here, I've been trying to accident that way. I'm not over to we're working on it. So I'm gonna check on my license, amazing. When you get my license, my boy, we are already in a manual. It's like this just has to be easy for me, bro. It has to be easy. Peace. Kanashandiro. Cut the shine.
When the truth gets out, watch out to food. When the nyama one and don't get what yoga mean. Next step in you, where we walk to the one. Then put on food to watch it talk sauce. But as you preach. Stagaricava, vascuzia pra te get.
What am I getting brain? You start to get in brain. Tinazi. Yeah. Ada ngambil ngaro ane nyuta ka dry mouth nda. Dry mouth. Yeah, tadambura push to start my. Cruise control. Yeah. Rule number now. 2. Hey, what is the number 3? Yo! What is number 1? Bro. Yeah, man. Number 4. Risky life. So can that ready for driving tips? Yeah, what do you think? I'll tell you. What do you think? Do you think with you could that ready? That ready? No, Samson. That ready? I know I'm going to do a license, but you kill people. I think you're a I change gears for you, bro. Fumasha.
She fight to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She fight to flight, nigga in this cat. She fight to flight me on way out of here. She fight.
I'm in the CBD. I just came from my driving license item. And then it's crazy, bro. I mean, I can drive, but then a lot of shit was happening, bro. I think I'm just too scared. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my way home now. I'm done. I did the parallel parking, getting in the drums item. I won't lie. It's a bit tough, bro. I won't lie. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. Damn.